everyone, Dr. Emily Savage here with Revive Upper Cervical Chiropractic. I'm coming to you this week with yet another prop quiz. And this week I want to know, my question to you is, what is SIgA? I'm going to give you a second to think about it. You take a look up here at this little hashtag, maybe that'll give you a hint. So SIgA is also known as secretory immunoglobulin A. So basically what that means is that it's one of your most abundant immune markers in your mucosal secretions. So SIgA is basically that first line of defense against a lot of pathogens. So it's going to limit what has access to all those mucosal surfaces like your intestines or your respiratory system, all those kinds of things. Why is this important? There was a study done by a group of upper cervical chiropractors who were taking a look at what kind of role an adjustment might play in the level of SIgA in the body. They did a series where basically they collected a saliva sample to look for SIgA before an adjustment. They did the adjustment, they rested them for 30 minutes, they collected a sample after the adjustment, and then again 2 weeks later. What they found was that there was an immediate and temporary increase in the levels of SIgA after the adjustment, which means that an adjustment is going to boost your immune system and definitely help you out. While you can still take things like vitamin C and elderberry and all those good kinds of things, getting adjusted is a really great way to naturally help boost your immune system.